maybe to my life, so bad, so bad, so bad to my life. So, Okay, hi, my beautiful fellow traders. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. It is a Friday. It is a Friday. How are you doing today? How is it going? How is everything over that side? Fill me in. Fill me in. I definitely and absolutely would love to know how things are going, how everything is on your end. Let me know. Let me know how it's all going and how it's to have Yeah, this planet Earth turns slowly. Okay, so Pocket Option Broker, that is a platform that I'm using to trade, all right? And binary options trading, that's what we are having. I know there are very many people over there doing crypto, forex, whatnot, and everything. On my end, Lena over here, I fell in love with Brent Oil OTC, and definitely we are in for it today. So let's see how it's going to go, how everything is going to be. Okay. So good to have you all. Good to have you all. It's our new session today. Let us see. Brent oil OTC. That's what we are having today. We've been having gold OTC, so we have had a switch. Now Brent oil OTC, right? Set my amount at 400 US dollars. 15 seconds, my expiration time. Okay. And definitely price action. That is a strategy that I am using. So come through, fill me in. How is it going on your end over there? We are already making money. Okay. Valentine, hi, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. How is everything going? Raj, good to have you. How are you doing today? Miss Earth turns slowly. It seems this planet Earth turns slowly. Okay, so over here, definitely we are having our pullback entry. Are we? Okay, Raj, good What's up, guys? Good to have you all. Good to have you all. It is yet another amazing day for our session. Good to have you all come through. Fill me in. Let us chat. Whenever it is at 3 p.m., it's always our time to chat. to chat, to interact, to talk at trading. All right, so come through. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Okay. Okay, that is a plus for us. That's a plus for us. We keep it going. Positivity from the very start. Let's keep it going. Okay, so today I definitely want to talk about something. So please come through. Let us get on to with our strategy as soon as possible. I want to go through it. Once again, I just want to talk about something small. Okay. Raj, good to have you. Good to have you. I see you over there. Thank you for coming through. Okay, so whenever I talk about market structure, I emphasize so much about market structure because it gives us, you find that some people are really finding a hard time when you talk about the higher highs and the higher lows. So please gather, let us get into it, let us talk about it. We go into depth about it such that at least each and every single day we keep understanding a few things here and there about the price action as a strategy, such that someone feels comfortable and confident to actually use it and make something out of it. All right, so some other time we talked about the indicator, which is the alligator indicator, and yesterday we talked about the MACD indicator. And of course, I made a comparison. I made sure that I give you a clear picture about the MACD and the price action, how it helps us, how we can actually use it in our trading. All right. Okay. So today we are going to go back onto market structure, because when we talk about the market direction, that is very, very easy for someone to understand. Market structure, it gives a few beginners or beginners a challenge or a hard time. Then also the candlestick patterns. So we shall keep going through, we shall keep having the details of each and every small piece of the strategy, such that people get to know. Sujan, good to have you, good to have you. What's up, what's up? How is it going over that side? Hope all is well, hope all is amazing. Sonetic is in the building. Hi, Sonetic. What's up, what's up, what's up? Good to have you, good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. It is a Friday. So let us have it. Let us have it. Tawanda, good to have you. Good to have you. ICT 11. What's MACD setting? For the MACD, it is set at its default. All right. Yes. Raj, middle class song, middle class family song. Okay, okay, okay. So, guys, we keep taking it one step at a time. One step at a time. One step at a time. That is Bablu. Good to have you. Jesus Lena. What's up? What's up? How is it going over there? Okay. Okay, so I believe we are here and we are set for the market structure. Okay, so let me take you through it. We keep talking about these such that at least we keep getting a clear picture for anyone who is trying to understand my strategy. But it does not bite or it cannot kill me to take you through what I actually consider as a price action trader, okay, as someone who uses price action to trade, all right? So one of the things that I consider so much that is the market direction. I have to understand the situation or the condition of the market that I'm dealing with. That is the bullish direction and bearish direction. We also have the consolidating market. That is when the market is intertwined or the market is ranging. So that way, we know that both the buyers and the sellers are in the market. So, right, for a bullish direction, that is when the buyers are in control of the market, and for the bearish direction, that is when the sellers are in control of the market. We have something we call market structure. That is another factor that I consider as a price action trade, right? So when we talk about market structure, we are focusing on the highs and the lows. With the highs and the lows over there, we are basically going to focus so much for a bullish direction. We are going to focus so much on the higher highs and the higher lows. So if we are looking at the higher highs and the higher lows for a bullish market, okay, what do we mean when you talk about a higher high? When you talk about a higher high, this happens when the new high is above the previous high. We have a high that was created after break of when we targeted or when we had a reversal, we had a higher high. But then when we get another high above the previous high that we had, that makes our higher high. All right. Then um, when we talk about the the higher low. With a higher low occurs when price pulls back, okay, but doesn't fall below the previous important low. So whenever we talk about a higher low, we should be looking at a pullback, okay? A pullback, that is when price drops a little. That is when price pulls back. That is when price falls a little, but not below the previous important low, okay? So that is what you should be looking at whenever we talk about the higher highs and the higher low in a bullish market. Then when you talk about the lower low and the lower high, whenever we talk about the lower low and the lower high, for a lower low, we are looking at a bearish direction, or we are looking at a bearish market. That is when the sellers are in control of the market. So when you talk about a lower low occurs when the price falls below the previous important low. We had switched and we are moving in the down in the bearish direction or in a downtrend. And as we are moving over there, we've created a low. But then when we break or when we fall below that previous important low, then we are creating a lower low, all right? Then when we talk about a lower high, market structure is what we are talking about, all right? A lower high happens when price makes a temporary upward move but fails to reach the previous high. Here still, we are looking at a pullback. That is when some buyers are trying to come into the market, all right? So whenever we talk about, okay, whenever we talk about okay, whenever we talk about a lower high, what should come in your mind is a pullback. All right. So over there, we are still having a pullback if we do not break above the important previous high. Okay, so that is when we are having our pullback, and that is about the market structure. The other thing that you should understand about market structure is you should be able to identify the key points that you're going to stand at for you to start having your important highs and important lows, okay? Where you are going to stage and be like, this is the low, and I'm waiting for a break of structure. After a break of structure, you anticipate a pullback, which I have talked about, which is our higher low in that case, right? After the pullback, we are definitely going to have a continuation in that particular direction, unless we break below that previous important low, or if we break above that important previous high for a bearish direction. All right, so those are some of the things that you have to keep in mind, that you have to keep important to you as someone who is going to be using market structure, or who wants to understand market structure and how it works. Whereas we are looking at market structure, we also have to understand the candlestick patterns, because definitely they give us a go ahead of how we should, or when we should enter into the market, or when we should wait not to enter into the market. So we have a number of candlestick patterns. We have the engulfing, we have the Marabuzo candles, we have the pin bar. So it all comes down to you. Of those very many candlestick patterns, which ones are you going to hold dear to you? Because, of course, as we have a pullback, for example, for us to know that we are going to move into a continuation, there are candlestick patterns, or there are some candles that are formed to show you that we are going to move into a continuation. If we are going to have a reversal, there are candlestick patterns that are formed to show you that we are breaking below, or we have actually broken below, and we are breaking below the previous important low, all right? Or we are breaking above the previous important high, all right? So all those you have to understand, you have to make sure that at least you have those by your fingertips as someone who is looking at benefiting from trading. Okay. Okay, so Simon, good to have you. What's up? It has been a while. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you once again. Okay. Let us keep seeing what the market has for us. Okay. Brent oil OTC, we are doing amazing. We are doing amazing so far. In front, good to have you, Thompson. Good to have you. Good to have you. Mohammed is asking, she is live? Yes, my dear, I am live. I am live. Raj, I see you over there. Ooh, made a loss over here. Rufus, good to have you. Pocket Trader, hey, how are you doing today? Classic Duke, I see you over there. Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. That is Tolu. Good to have you. Lucky, I see you. I see you over there. Good to have you. Tolu, I'm doing amazing. How about you? Hamad, good to have you. Good to have you. How are you doing today? How is your dear life? Okay, so let us keep going. We keep going. Okay, so for my strategy, that is what I wanted to talk about. I wanted to draw your attention close to the market structure, right? Because you find that some people do not really come close or come in terms with what they have to be looking out for. Candlestick patterns, all right, very important. And then you have to be able to identify the key points, okay, or the key levels where you are going to best to actually start onto either your uptrend or your sell trend. Okay. I fly 1,000 miles. That is okay. Jadali, good to have you, good to have you. Where are you from? I am streaming live from Canada here. How about you? Where are you from? Okay, Hamad, what is your strategy? My strategy is price action. Okay, price action. Ryan, Tommy, it's good to have you. Good to have you. Dr. S Production. Hi, what's up? Good to have you. It has been a while. It has been a while. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. I was 1,000 miles. Mm. Okay, so then the other one thing that I can tell you about is we as traders, I will always keep emphasizing not about market direction, market structure, candlestick patterns, all right? Don't look at one candle alone for any entries that you're going to make or you are expecting to make. Do not consider just one candlestick formation. One candle alone does not give you a conclusive answer that you should place in a trade. Okay, look at the sequence of highs and lows. That sequence tells you the market structure, what exactly is happening when we are dealing with the market structure. That sequence gives you or tells you what the market structure is about, what is happening, what is going on. Never sit down and just consider one candle formation, all right? I was 1,000 miles. Maverick, good to have you, good to have you. What's up, Mr. Comet? I see you over there. Good to have you. That is Ghost. Hey, Ghost, what's up, what's up? Lena, is it a must, a trader to master all indicators? No, 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 no. It's not a must. It's not a must. You see, actually, by now, I would have used like 1,000 indicators or 100 indicators. It's not a must. It's not at all. Okay. Okay, because I only know how to use MA, and yes, please, if you are having something that is actually working for you, that is actually giving you what you are looking for, that is actually giving you all that at the end of the day, guys, we are looking at the profits that we are making, all right? So please, if you are having certain indicators that are giving you what you want and they are doing for you things the way they are supposed to happen, focus on those. Okay, I love the alligator indicator and the MACD indicator so much, uh, not because there are no other indicators to use. There are a number of them, but I prefer the alligator indicator. Okay, I feel it makes my life easier, but you find that someone else is going to be using a different indicator and it's going to be so perfect for them. Okay, so please, what you have, as long as it's working for you, as long as it's giving you what you want, focus on that. All right. The goal, the mission is for us to be able to make profits, is for us to be able to get something out of the market. Okay. My Henry is in the building. Hi, what's up? What's up? Good to have you, my Henry. How are you doing? The family over here is doing amazing. We are good. We are good. Guys, I'm responding for you. I don't know how some of you are doing, but I believe we are doing great. I believe we are doing great. Okay, so Henry over there, how is Adar? How is the family over there? Okay, definitely getting into with our donations just right about now. Kush, good to have you, good to have you. I'm Indian, but crypto. Okay, you are from India and you trade crypto. That's good. That's good. Over here, I am trading binary options. Okay. How are you finding crypto? How is it going over there? That is okay. Sanitic. Excuse me. Okay, that is lovely. I always love it so much when I see. Okay, when people are so into, like, the family is bonding, we are making things happen. Okay, Sujan and Umbasa, good to have you, good to have you. How is it going over that side? So my life. Excuse me. It's always a good time. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Not a good start. Not a good start at all. Not a good start at all. It's always a good time. Vito truck. Good to have you. Good to have you. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? How are you doing, Vito truck? How is your day today? We are doing amazing on that with market structure today. I just felt like I should again take us through it. Okay, but good to have you. Good to have you. We are already in with our donations. That's done. Let's see for our second attempt. Sujon really wants to learn. That's very, very good. And I am going to request you that whenever you come through, please let me know that you have come through and let me know what level of learning are you, such that it becomes easy for me to either take you all the way from the start or to start off from somewhere. Yes, that is a plus for Thorn. Congratulations, congratulations. All right, such that it's easy for me to know where to start off. And if you have questions, please always come through. Let me let me know what you have on your mind, what is where you're finding a challenge, such that at least I can take you through. Okay, we are here to learn, to understand how things are supposed to go, to see how best we can at least go about with trading. All right, so always as you come through, let me know what's saying. Samuel is asking why not gold today? Gold has not been so good to me, so I just felt like I should have a change. Veda Truck, I thank God I'm doing well, my sister. That is lovely. That is lovely. Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay, let us keep it going. We keep it rolling. Kevin, good to have you. Good to have you. Raj, hi. How are you doing today? What's that? Let's see for duck. That is 350 US dollars, 5 items. What did she say? 0 points. Good to have you. Good to have you. Ruth. Hi, Ruth. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. It has been a while. How are you doing? How is it going over there? Excuse me. Beautiful. I know it has been long. It has been long, Ruth. Hope you're okay. Hope everything is going on amazing on your end. You know, one thing that I do not want to hear is I've been I'm sick, I'm down. I always do not wish anything bad for anyone. I just want us to be on our feet, working, trading, making some profits for ourselves. So, Ruth, okay. Yes, my darling, that is amazing to hear from you. Do you know what? Okay, that is sent. Yes. Okay, let me hope I'm saying it right. Remember, we are taking it for 5 atoms. Two atoms so far. Okay. Okay, getting ready for our. Let's see. Just a dream. Beautiful. That is our third attempt. It simply means that we have 2 more to go. You using Xmas, right? No, my dear, I'm actually using Pocket Option Broker. It's not Forex, it's binary. Yes, my dear. We are having binary options trading over here. Just a dream. Don't roll it. Beautiful. Look at our 4th attempt over there. Okay. Okay, so over here I am seeing that is okay. The name is giving me a hard time to read. Okay, slash. Okay, good to have you, good to have you. Okay. All right. Okay, so that is a slay all the way from Cote d'Ivoire. Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. That is a plus for Duck. Congratulations, Duck. Guys, if you remember with our donations previously, we have been having a few people who are continuously making losses. When you are making those losses, it does not mean that you will never make profits at any point, okay? If you remember clearly, there is a point that Duck was making a lot of losses. But anyways, all that comes back to you and how your account is, how big your account is, or how much of a risk taker you are, or how you're able to manage your risks. All right. So, congratulations to Duck over there. We are in for that is Maeve. 1,500 is our take profit. Okay. Just 1 second. Centius is saying, if only forex pairs moved like this. Really, really. We are into the binary options trading over here. You can actually try it out with a pocket option broker. I have the link in my bio. You can check it out and see, you know. One thing with the binary options is that we can trade throughout, whether a weekend, a public holiday, we can keep trading. So you can actually have an account with Pocket Option Broker, all right, such that over the weekends, when crypto and when other tradings are closed, Maeve, so sorry about that. Today we have closed in a loss. So as I was saying, over the weekend, you could as well still be making some money for yourself through Pocket Option Broker. Then in the week, you go back to your forex or crypto, whichever trading you are in. Okay. Lena, yes, Mary Miss. Good to have you, good to have you. What's up, what's up? Sarah, that is Rahim. Good to have you. What's up, what's up? How is your day going? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. What? Okay, that is Wasim. Okay. Okay, Jamaican Lena, is it a question? Are you telling me that you are Jamaican? I've not understood you over there. Video track, if you are new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notification so you don't miss our upcoming trading sessions, market analysis, strategies, and live market updates. Oh my goodness, a video track. Thank you so much, guys. Please look into that. Like, subscribe, such that at least you are able to know when we are coming through. We learn together, we grow together, we become at least profitable traders together. Okay, thank you, Video Truck. Thank you so much. Sujon, I see you over there. One thing I keep telling you, Sujon, is that just keep coming through, asking questions. If you have questions, please do ask. And then every single day, I do make sure that at least we are able to learn about something to do with trading. We are able to learn something that is going to take us from one level to another. Okay, excuse me. Hakan, Hakan, good to have you. Good to have you. How are you, Lena? I'm doing amazing. How about you? How about you over there, Rufus? Hello, Lena. How are you doing? I'm doing amazing. How about you? How is your day going? How far? How is Nigeria over there? Raj, thank you for sticking around. I drop you a message on Telegram. All right, Rufus, I will definitely get back to you. Excuse me. It's no time forward. You're amazing, just the way you are. Hakan, thank you so much. Thank you so much. We keep it going. We keep it growing. We are here to learn, guys. We are here to interact, learn more about trading, get some trading tips, share different experiences. Your experience is absolutely different from mine, all right? Of course, we all understand and we all learn differently, all right? So you find that what you went through to learn your trading or to perfect your trading is completely different from mine, okay? So please, we come through here, we share, and what people keep sharing, you find that you might pick something from it. We have people who come here and they will be like, until I learned how to be patient with the market, I was making losses. All right. Then someone will tell you or will come and tell you psychology is very, very important. Like you have to understand, you have to be able to play around to know exactly what to do in the market. Okay. Then the other person will come through and tell you just be patient, just be consistent with a particular strategy that you decided to use. Like we keep sharing a lot of everything about trading, okay? So keep coming through, subscribe, like, leave a comment. Let us do this together, okay? You're amazing. Just the way you are. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Vita Chuck. My brother Vita Chuck is doing a job over here. We keep it going. You only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Okay, for whites, we are taking it for 4 items. Let us dive into it. Only know you love her when you let her go. Let her go. Okay, over here, as you can see, we are in a bit of consolidation. We talked about the lines entanglement, right? So over there, both the buyers and the sellers are into the market, all right? But when we are in a ranging consolidating market, like I said at the bottom, we buy. That's why I've placed in a buy position over here. And then at the top, we sell. So that is a plus for me. You love it when you let it go. You know you can hide when you feel alone. Oh, when you're missing home. You love it when you let it go. Okay, still in consolidation, guys. It goes so fast. Easy. Okay. Never to keep cause you love it too much and dive too deep. Do you want me to like and spine? No. Beautiful. We have 2 more attempts to go. You be high when you're feeling low. Okay, I'm seeing that is a Khan. Hi Khan, good to have you. Phosphorus, good to have you. Khan is asking, why is your market different from my market, although my timing is the same? What happens is that YouTube, of course, with a YouTube time lag, you are going to find that we can never have the same chart because the timings are different. Okay, we are having that YouTube time lag, so you find that, of course, the chart is not exactly going to be the same because you find that you are some candles ahead of me, or I am some candles ahead of you. All right, so the chart cannot look the same because of that time lag over there. That's why I keep emphasizing that whenever we come through, let us ask as many questions as we can in regards to trading. We take notes, we understand how we are supposed to go about it. Then in our free time, let us go on to our charts and we try to apply what we have learned. All right. Okay. Beautiful. That is for Maureen. Congratulations. For Maureen, no, for White. Congratulations, White. Okay. Withdraw for White. Sometimes all I think about you. Breaking me out. Salmon, good to have you. How are you doing over that side? How is your day today? Good to have you. Thank you for joining our live session today. Velumani, Vanakam. What's up? How are you doing? Where is Sanjay today? Where is Sanjay? I've not seen Sanjay. Godwin, where are you? Lekala, where are you? Guys. Vincent, good to have you, good to have you. Zihad, good to have you. Dan is in the building, guys. Good to have you. Ahmad, good to have you. Which broker is this? This is Pocket Option Broker. Sometimes all I think about you. He wakes me, freaking me out. Happier now. Freaking me out. Happier now. One atom down and we have a plus. So that simply means that we have 3 more to go for Koto. Okay, Nimbus. All right. Good luck to Nimbus. Yes, me freaking me out. Yes, Vincent, it has really been long ever since you last attended. Good to have you. How have you been? Hope you've been okay. Hope you have been okay and doing amazing. Oh my goodness. That is for Nimbus. On our second attempt, we have closed in a loss. So sorry about that. Somehow with my pullback entry, the sellers just decided to freak me out. Really? That's amazing, Vincent. Just keep coming through. Keep coming through. We keep learning together. There. Excuse me. Okay, bro, Derek, 3 items, 450 US dollars. You never. Okay, so guys, once again, I will keep, or we shall keep reminding each other when it comes to market analysis, all right? Market analysis does not only mean that you open your charts and look at them. how the candlesticks are moving and all that, all right? Market analysis digs deeper, okay? We are definitely going to look at what we are looking out for us to place in our entries, okay? So we as traders, when we are looking at our charts, what do you want to see on your charts such that you place in your entries? One, you are going to want to know the direction or the condition of the market. What is the market up to? Is it moving in an uptrend? Is it moving in a downtrend? Are we having a consolidating market? Okay, you have to understand that you are analyzing the market, okay? After understanding that, or after analyzing that, you have to understand, you have to analyze and watch out for the key points, okay? For the key points that you are going to be able to stand at or to base at, to be able to place in your entries. When we have those key points, we are going to be able to understand that over here we have broken structure, over here we are having or we are anticipating a pullback, or over here we are having a continuation, okay? So that is all market analysis. That is all market analysis, all right? So it's not all about you coming and then just looking at the market, just looking at the charts over there, and then thinking that that is it. Things have ended there. No, that's not it. Okay, you have to understand, and then of course you have to keep analyzing how these candlestick patterns are forming. There are those that do not make sense to you, let them go. There are those that you are looking out for to refine your entries. Keep analyzing the market. We keep focused on our charts, all right? So all that comes together. It is a collective way of market analysis. You keep it going that way, you will definitely catch some amazing entries, or you will be able to catch some amazing moves in the market. Okay, so let us keep it going. For that is Broderick. Beautiful, beautiful. A ref, good to have you, good to have you. What's up, what's up, what's up? How is it going over that side? Okay, sunrise over the mountains. Good to have you, good to have you, a ref. Okay, that is Gideon in the building. Hi, Gideon. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Jeremy, good to have you over there. Okay, Bituski, good to have you. How are you doing? That is Shaman. Okay, good to have you. It is in the building. Let's go. All right. All right. I'm seeing my most amazing people. People are coming through, people are joining in. Lovely. So amazing. So why don't we keep our eyes focused on the charts over here and we catch some amazing moves. Let's go. Now let's go. Okay, a rave, glad to have you around. We keep it going, guys. Ah, to your bed. I just wanna be part of your symphony. Anytime I let go, symphony. Haiti, Haiti, Haiti. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Lena is doing amazing. Lena is doing great. Good to have you. Good to have you. How are you doing today, Haiti? It has been a while, but good to see you come through. Yes, my dear. You have you. Good to have you. How is your day? How is your day going? Let us get into it and we see. Okay, let's go. Okay, Gabriel. Gabriel, good to have you. Good to have you. What the heck? Take your time as you do your analysis. Take your time. Do not rush it, okay? When you rush, you always crush. So we take it one step at a time, however much. When you do your market analysis, take your time and all that, you can as well close up in a loss. But what are we focusing on? We are focusing on doing our very best to see that we end our close at a plus, right? So always give yourself time and do not make it seem like you are trading to compete with anyone. The only person you are supposed to do right by is yourself, all right? So always take your time. Even if you go in for just a few entries in the market, it's very okay, all right? It's very okay for as long as at least you have some profits made. Over trading is also something that can actually lead you into losses. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Market analysis, perfect setup, but we have still closed in a loss. When it comes to the market, these are some of the things that you have to expect as a trader. Haman, good to have you, good to have you. What's up, what's up, what's up? How is it going on your side? I got it, bun, 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 bun. Actually, today it looks like, let's see. Gabriel, let me first look into that. All right, because definitely it's not supposed to be that way. River, good to have you, good to have you, good to have you. Mark these settings are at default. All right. Our first attempt for London, we've closed in. That was our second attempt actually. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's give it one more try and we see for a London Fairfax. Our first attempt, we have a plus, but remember we are looking at a take profit of 1,500. Okay, beautiful over there. Let's see, we take it for one more attempt. Oh, goodness. Okay. That is amazing. That is amazing. Congratulations to London. Congratulations. Congratulations. Let us keep it going. We keep it going. That was for London. Revro. Lena, can you explain the reason for trades? Okay, so one, I plus in my entries, all right? One, because of course I'm looking at different factors over here, and when they are at play, when they are aligning, that is when I strike into the market. One, if we are in an uptrend, if we are in a downtrend, that is the market direction, all right? If we are in an uptrend, of course, I'm going to look out for factors that are favoring me to buy in an uptrend, okay? We are going to look at the highs. We are going to look at the higher highs and the higher lows over that side, picking out a key factor or a key point that I'm going to base at for me to have a break of structure. Once I have a break of structure, anticipation of a pullback, I place in my entries over there. Of course, not at just one red candle formation, but I give it to one to three to two candlestick formations. Then I confirm that over here we are in for a pullback. After the close of a pullback, we are going to have a candlestick, a pattern that gives me a go ahead that over here we are definitely going to have a continuation in that particular direction that we are in. We are either going to have an engulfing candle, a Marabuzo candle, a pin bar, all right? So that way we know exactly what we are supposed to do. If we are going to have a reversal, we are also going to have candlestick patterns formed that are going to give us a clear formation that over here we are having a reversal. We are breaking below the previous important low. So we get ready and place in our our sell entries. Okay. All right. So most importantly, we need to understand the candlestick patterns. We need to understand market structure. We need to understand the candles. We need to understand market direction. Also, you back them up with the indicator that you are using. When they are all aligning, please just go ahead and place in your entries. Beautiful, beautiful. That was after a break of structure. You know you're beautiful. Yes, I know you're beautiful. You are so beautiful. All right, all right, all right, all right. Jivan, good to have you. Good to have you, good to have you in the building. Over here trying to build some okay, that is a shaman. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We keep it going at a pullback over here. Just one more entry to go. Oh my god, that was absolutely close, very very close. Definitely Rivro, being patient, that is part of the game, very very much part of the game. All right. Okay, Miro Brisa, Bitcoin wallet. Okay, so let's get it started. Two atoms, that is for clutch. Okay, just one more attempt to go. Let's see what to place it in. What is it going to be? Is it going to be at a pullback or at a continuation? So the fact that we are in an uptrend, our emphasis should be focused or put at a continuation or at a pullback, all right? Okay, we go in for a continuation over here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That is for claps. Congratulations. Congratulations. Godwin, Godwin, Godwin. What's up? Hi, Godwin. What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Godwin is in the building. Okay. That is Toxie. Everyone is entitled to their own opinion. So Toxie is telling us this not trading, this is a bet game. Okay. First over here, we are in for trading and we are using Pocket Option Broker. That is a platform that I'm using to trade and I'm all in for binary options trading. Godwin is in the building. Sanjay is in the building. Vanakam, Vanakam, Vanakam. Good to have you, Sanjay. How is it going? How is our new boss that you appointed? How is work? How is everything over there? Thank you, Godwin. Good to have you. Good to have you always. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for showing up each and every single day. All right. Okay, Samuel is saying still not understand why my market structure is not the same as yours. I've not gotten maybe any other person complaining about it. So sorry about that. Let me hope it's only today that you're finding that challenge. That's amazing, Godwin. My new boss. Really, really. Sanjay. Anyways, good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you. Haman is saying it's not the same with mine too. Okay, so oh, okay. That is beautiful. We keep it going. Okay, today late because today work is hard, no time to use phone, brother. Oh goodness. Okay, all is going to be well. That is to Shaman, and that is Samuel over there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Not good at all. Not good at all. That is for Nathaniel. My sincere apologies. Today it has not gone well, but we keep hoping for the very best, okay? Let's see for Algo 3 atoms. Up, up. Sanjay, that Godwin, how are you? Is so amazing. I love that. Very well, my brother. Like, it is all thick. That's amazing. That is amazing. Good to have you all, guys. Good to have you all. Sanjay is in the building. Video track is in the building. That is Godwin is in the building. Rivro, I see you over there. Kenneth, yes, it is a pocket option over here. Guys, I appreciate all of you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for sticking around. We keep it going one step at a time. Let's keep it going. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Okay. Give me a plus over here for Algo. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That is for Algo Shade. Congratulations. Sanjay Hens was here actually. He was here. But Adar, I've not seen Adar yesterday, today. But Hens assures us that the wife is amazing. Okay, let us believe for the very best. I always feel good when I see Ada in the building, trading, and you see fellow ladies in the building. It's amazing. It makes me feel in a certain way. So, Mbatha, good to have you always. Teacher Lee, I always appreciate you. Thank you for always coming through. Adar, those are the few ladies that I actually know who keep coming through always, always. Zita is also one of them. So good to have you all. Good to have you all. Okay. Vincent is asking me why you are using fixed time of 2 hours of live, which importance of using fixed period of time for trading. Number one, it is a personal choice, all right? You can choose to trade for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, depending on how your mind can stay focused for, all right? Oh goodness, that was for our first attempt. Let us give it another try. We see. So it all depends on you as a trader. If you feel you can go for 2 hours, for 3 hours, of course, the concentration is one of the things that we focus so much on, all right? The concentration, then the quiet around you, okay? So on my end, I always go for 2 hours. That is mostly the personal time that I have before everyone comes through, all right? Before this person keeps distracting me here and there. So I choose to go in for 2 hours of my live session, okay? But on your end, you can choose one, you can choose 3 hours, depending. It's all a personal choice. There is really, really nothing personal attached to it, okay? You don't have to run. Teacher Lee, I've not seen her today. I've not seen her around today. I feel it coming. I feel it coming. On my end, I want to feel profits coming through for the last 2 participants. So I feel it coming. That I was with you, Godwin. I was with you, Godwin. You don't have to worry. It's a simple touch, beautiful to run. I feel it coming. I feel it coming, babe. I feel it coming. I feel it coming, babe. I feel it coming. I feel it coming, babe. I feel it coming. 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 You know, Sanjay, actually, I don't know if you know, but Video Truck, I am here to gossip about each and every one of you. Video Truck, there is a country in Africa called Nigeria, all right? So for Video Truck, that is the country that he so very much wants to travel to, all right? And you know, whenever he talks about it, he is so excited, he is so happy, which actually makes me feel so good and so excited. You know, one, I'm someone who loves moving a lot, traveling a lot. So when I see people having that love and that passion for something, it really gives me that vibe that, you know. So let's see how everything goes. And then, because Video Shark said for him, as long as he goes to Nigeria, that will be it for him. So, Sanjay, apart from Sri Lanka, which is your country, where else would you want to travel to? Where else would you want to travel to? Okay, so Sanjay, out of Sri Lanka, where else would you love to travel to? You as you. Thank you, Sanetics. Thank you. We keep it going together as we get to where we want to be. Nova, that is for you. No, 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 no. Let me you. No, no, no. All that Sanjay wants. Honestly, I don't have a family. Like be here. This is my family. Oh my goodness. That is lovely. That is lovely. Sanjay, just know we love you so much. We appreciate you so much. I do not know, of course, God willing, we should have that in plan. Just, you know, actually, before the festive season, that was Christmas time of last year, someone who was based in UAE, specifically in Dubai, invited me invited me for Christmas, all right? But then by the time he invited me, it was already like we had already had other plans. But that would have actually been a very nice vacation, a very good experience. In every country right now, it looks like I have someone waiting for me to take me around. Jamaica, I have Humble One. He is waiting for me anytime I decide to go to Jamaica. He is waiting on me. Of course, Tanzania, Video Truck is there. When we talk about Kenya, we have Stephen over there. Sri Lanka, Sanjay is around. South Africa, we have Lekala and Maredi. Guys, everywhere. So, guys, I'm so happy. I'm so blessed to have such an amazing family like this one. Let us get into with our last attempt over here for Nicholas Price. Let's see. Continuation. All right, beautiful. Congratulations to Nicholas Price. Guys, I feel fulfilled when I actually close my sessions with a plus, so right, with profits. So congratulations. Vincent all the way from Rwanda. By the way, Vincent, do you know that I know um how to greet in your language? Let me greet you and you hear. Amakuru. That was Justin who taught me that. He is also from Rwanda. Amakuru. So good to have you. Good to have you, Vincent, all the way from Rwanda. Rwanda is an amazing country for what I have read about it, what I've studied about it. Very interesting country, very beautiful and handsome people over there. So, of course, the environment, nature as well. Very good people to meet. Nature, amazing. So, one day, one time. Okay. All right. I have a family in or around the world. Yes, that is very true. Sanjay, we are all over the world. People come from different countries. We have people. Oh, I have someone who promised me to take me to the Maldives, Zanzibar as well, though I've been there, but no harm for a second trip. So all over the world, South Africa, Madagascar, Zimbabwe, Namibia as well. Actually, we have Pakistan, India. Oh my goodness, I cannot mention it all, right? So, guys, today was a successful session. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for sticking around. I appreciate you guys so much. Day in, day out. Keep coming through. Let us keep building our our amazing audience, a family over here. I will see you tomorrow. Have a lovely day, a lovely night, a lovely morning, depending on your time zone. Bye bye.